Oh, what's moved? That's better. Hey, welcome to the newest episode of Hey Josh, What You Drinking? With me, Josh. So what am I drinking tonight? I've got a selection from Sawdust City Brewing Company in somewhere. Don't even know. What do we got? Sawdust City Brewing Company, Gravenhurst, Ontario. Isn't that some shit? So this is their Hazy IPA. Hazy, Everyday Magic. Looks got a nice butterfly on the front. Flutter. Let's see what we got here. Life can seem like an endless bore scratched just below the surface, and you can see the magic behind the mundane. A sunrise, a rainbow, a blah 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 blah. Okay, there's beer in this can. It's got the IBU 445 IBU, so we're gonna have a fairly hoppy beer here. Cashmere and Galaxy and Idaho 7 and Sabro hops, so it's very hoppy. Sawdust City, I'm not very familiar with their products, but I'm looking forward to this one here. Let's open it and see what we got. There we go. Okay, so it's crazy hoppy. Yeah. Hop on pop. On the first aroma that I get from the can is like very piney. So it's like crazy piney, like pine trees piney, like pine cones and grass. All right, let's pour it out and see what we got here. Well, it says it's a hazy IPA, and sure enough, it is. That's not just hazy; that is downright. Milky. Look at the big head on that for sure. Yes, I said head, Jen. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on a sec. And snap a picture of that for... Oh, that's me. Nobody wants to see that. There we go. The sip I just took from the can, it's like orange juice. It's so hoppy. It's like citrusy juice, orangey, tangerine. Ding. It's incredibly hoppy. If they had told, if it said on the can that they poured a half beer, half orange juice in here, I wouldn't be surprised. Water, sugar, barley malt, sugars, as in barley malts. Hops, yeast, contains barley. Really, the beer contains barley? Okay, so all of that citrusy, piney aroma and flavor is all from the hops. So, wow. Okay. Yeah, so we got ourselves another hazy East Coast style IPA here. To be honest, I'm getting a little bored of this style being everywhere. It's hard to find anything that's not one of these nowadays. I mean, well, in the craft beer world, unless you're going to your local brewery. What else we got here? Yeah, Life. Take a peek at all the canny goodness there. So there's the ingredients. All right. it's a tasty brew, but I don't get anything off it but piney, citrusy hops. If I was really like trained to smell things and give a better opinion on that kind of thing, I guess way deep down there underneath the orangey, piney, citrusy aroma, there's a tiny bit of bready, crackery kind of malt aroma, but it's really difficult to catch. And I definitely don't taste it. It tastes like orange juice. That's how citrusy, piney.
It's pretty citrusy.
That is very citrusy. It's a nice, sweet, mellow orange juice, not one of those ultra acidic-y, lemony kind of juices. But again, this is probably the second or third beer that I've had on Hey Josh, What You Drinking, that if I was blindfolded and you presented it to me and I didn't know that it was a beer from a can, I might actually tell you that it's either a cider or a juice mixed with
I want to be.
One of my favorite kind of cocktails. It's not even a cocktail, right? It's when you take the Five Alive and you pour it on a whole lot of ice and you put like way too much vodka on it, except for it not being boozy. That's what this tastes like. Five Alive. Yeah. So it's good if you're down with the whole hazy East Coast IPA kind of thing, or New England IPA kind of deal with the is it even like, oh, it's a strong beer. Look, it's 7% alcohol. So I mean, that is surprising. I don't catch the high alcohol content in this for sure.
You will when you stagger up.
If I was to accidentally drink 3 or 4 of these, not knowing they were so alcoholic, yeah, that would be something. Just like the Five Alive with ice and vodka. You drink too many of them, you don't realize you've had that many, and then next thing you know, you're staggering upstairs off to La La Land.
Make love to your wife.
All right. This has been another episode of Hey Josh, What You Drinking?
Who are you?
I'm Josh. You know the routine. These things here, I don't know which one is which or where they are for sure. Like, subscribe, or comment. Comments are great too. You don't have to do all the other things, but it I don't know, does things to the ratings. I don't know how YouTube works. Algorithms. All right. Cheers. This is Josh. Drinking Sawdust City. Everyday magic. Cheers.
You sound so sad.